Welcome to Libertex. This video will break down everything you need to know to trade the DAX going forward to provide you with the best 2021 tips for trading the DAX index. The DAX 30, also known as the Deutsche Aktien Index and the Germany 30 Index, comprises the 30 top German companies weighted by market cap. The DAX trading index is a popular choice for traders, as it is more volatile than some of the other global indexes and is good for short-term trading with frequent price swings. At Libertex, you can trade the DAX as well as other indexes with exclusive forecasts, professional trading tools at your disposal, and the lowest commissions with zero hidden fees. So without further ado, let's get into it. Before opening up positions on the DAX index, you'll need to decide if you will be investing for the long term or trading in the short term. As it's impossible to invest directly in a stock index, you can trade the DAX with CFDs to speculate on its price movements, as an ETF, or directly in some of the companies found within the DAX like BMW, Volkswagen, and Deutsche Bank, for example. If you're trading in the short term, CFDs are likely to be your best bet. There are several reasons why the DAX index is favorable for traders, and some of its benefits include a high level of liquidity, extremely tight spreads, nearly 24 hours of trading 7 days a week with minor exceptions, and the DAX is notoriously known for having clear and predictable, easily identifiable trends to trade off of. So what influences the price movements of the DAX? The DAX index, while made up of the biggest 30 German companies, because it's ranked by market cap, is heavily weighted by the top 5 to 10 companies, which can significantly move the direction of the DAX. It's true that the DAX index sees more volatility than other indexes, and one of the reasons for this is that it is highly sensitive to developments in the European Union. Germany is the largest player in the European Union, and German businesses have a tendency to perform better when the European Union is doing well, so economic indicators are critical to take into consideration when trading the DAX. Similar to this, the value of the euro has a major impact on the movement of the DAX. Many of the biggest German companies within the DAX, like Volkswagen, Siemens, etc., are heavily reliant on global exports for revenue targets. As a result, exchange rates are an important metric to hint at performance. Lastly, the earnings reports for some of the biggest companies within the DAX can heavily influence price direction. Positive reports can sometimes realize big gains for the index as a whole, while negative ones can push the index in the opposite direction. For stronger trading with the DAX in 2021, traders will want to keep a close eye on developments concerning economic announcements for Germany and the EU countries. Reports that provide updates on inflation, unemployment, GDP, and so on will have a direct impact on the DAX. Because the DAX is so volatile, it's important to have an understanding of the price history. Paying attention to the movements the DAX has experienced since the crash in 2020 is critical to forming realistic price targets if traders are seeking to speculate on the recovery trend and current bull market. Lastly, if you are trading the DAX with CFDs, which will provide you access to trade the DAX for comparatively small investments, understand your tolerance for risk and use the leverage and multipliers accordingly. Do you have any favorite methods for trading the DAX index? Do you think the DAX will break record highs in 2021? Let us know your thoughts on trading the DAX by leaving a comment below to join the conversation with our analysts. If you liked this video, we'd love it if you would become part of our growing family of traders and investors by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. Your support will enable us to make more content related to the DAX and breaking developments in the markets. We'd like to wish you success for your trades, and remember, if you'd like to trade the DAX as well as other international indices, stocks, cryptocurrencies, FX, and more, head over to Libertex today and register an account for free. As always, thanks for watching and see you next time.